Hey everybody, it's Justin with Neely Detailing, and today I'm going to be reviewing Gyeon Leather Cleaning Strong. And what we're going to do is we're going to use it on, let me flip this around here. We're going to use it on these seats in here, and what I'll do is I'll tape down the center, then I'll show you the before and afters. If you look, the seats don't look so bad, but we're going to go ahead and see how well this performs. So, Gyeon Leather Cleaner Strong. Okay, so first off, we're going to go ahead and tape off a section here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and just do it on this lower portion. So, per the instructions, it says to vacuum up the upholstery before cleaning. In case of light contamination, spray on microfiber and wipe panel by panel. In all other areas, spray a small area spray onto a small area with a clean quality leather brush. Remove dirt in a straight line. Do not rub in. Wipe with a lightly damp cloth to remove excess product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it on the surface. I'm going to scrub it because I know these seats are pretty dirty. I'm going to use a scrubber and I'll mop it up with a dry microfiber, and then I'll use a damp microfiber with some water on it to finish it off. So I have a bottle of water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glove up. Safety first. I highly recommend using gloves whenever using any chemicals. It's just best practice. You never know if they're going to be okay for you or not, so that's what I recommend. So what I'm going to do is I have a Gyeon brush, and these work really well. I've used this one quite a bit, as you can see, and I'm going to spray it onto the surface directly. I'll agitate, I'll wipe it down, and then I will wipe it a second time with a damp cloth. So I'm just going to spray directly onto the seat. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub in a back and forth motion here. Let me make sure it's picking it up properly. So you can go in a circle, you can go straight lines. If you go in a circle, you can really get into all the nooks and crannies, and it's not going to leave any marks. If you do it, I'm going to go ahead and bring the seat back just a little bit here so I can get all the way back. So the smell is pleasant, it foams up nicely. So I'm going to take one of my cloths here, I'll spray some water on it. Actually, I'm going to do it off camera. So there's our damp cloth, here's our dry cloth. I'm going to go ahead and mop it up. Follow it up with my damp microfiber. Just wipe off any chemicals. And so this would be the process that I would use prior to ceramic coating leather. Okay, so I think it's pretty apparent, but let's go ahead and remove the tape and see what we got. And there you have it. Let's take a little closer look here. So that took just a couple minutes. And what I'll do is I'll finish up the rest of the seats and then I'll come back. But I would say Gyeon Q2 Leather Cleaner Strong is quite good. I highly recommend it. Very easy to use. It's not exactly cheap, but it's very, very effective. So if you have dirty seats that really have a lot of embedded dirt, great product to use prior to ceramic coating, and I highly recommend it. On that note, I don't know that there's much more to say about this other than good job, Gyeon. I think on that note, we're going to go ahead and end this video, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.